Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all having a good day so far. I am Paul James Arlie Armapisura.
And I am Wilgin B. Ermac, and you
are
are listening to
Paul
and Wilgin's podcast.
So, here are some sets of questions that must be answered by the both of us. So, are you ready?
Yes.
First question. How does the movie Big World depict the concept of a good life? For me, I define good life as something that I can fulfill my dreams, or I can have I can have my own choice in life. And in that movie Big World, it was really portrayed up from the start to end that there was um choice, there was courageousness, and there was fulfillment. And I think it was really reflected by the movie, the term good life. How about you?
Well, I think for me, the concept of a good life was depicted in the movie Big World through being satisfied with your life, and even if daghan kayo siya og daghan kay hindrance or daghan kayo og challenges, makakita gyapon ka og way to be satisfied with your life and to go on with life.
Second question. Which philosopher's perspective on the good life is reflected in the movie? Provide examples from the film to support your answer.
Well, both of us have agreed that the philosopher's perspective that was really reflected all throughout the movie was the philosophy of Aristotle.
To provide an example, Chunhee was persistent enough to go and fulfill his dreams even if there are many hindrances, and he did not give up with his dream, but instead he fought for it, and up and until the end there was a really a progress, and there was an achievement for him.
Well, Aristotle's philosophy was all about having a purpose in life, and it was shown all throughout the movie that Shanhee was really tried to live his life, and it was shown all throughout the movie that Shanhee was really persistent into achieving his dreams, and that really reflects the philosophy of Aristotle, which is I think for me, having satisfaction with your life, and it was shown in the movie, and we could assume that at the end of the movie, Chanhee was satisfied with how his life went.
Last, what does a good life mean to you personally? Which philosopher's viewpoint aligns with your definition of a good life, and why? Well, my answers does not really go far with my previous answers from the previous questions. Well, I define good life by something where I can have my own choice, where I can pick, I can choose where I can go to, where can I live my life. And it was kind of portrayed in the philosophy of Aristotle, again, because Aristotle's philosophy or perspective solely means fulfillment. And by having your own choice, by having your own ability to pick something about your life, is somehow fulfilling moment.
Well, for me, good life means being able to live the life that I want, and same as Paul, having free will to do anything, to do everything, and it also reflects the philosophy of Aristotle, which means having free will or having purpose and satisfaction in my own life. Well, if I have a free will, then I will be able to do anything I want, and I will be able to achieve my purpose. But now I am still finding my purpose in life, and I don't know what my purpose is, but I'm sure that if the time will come that I will know my purpose, then I will be satisfied in living my own life.
And I think that sums up our podcast. I am Paul James Arlie Armapisura.
And I am Wilgin B. Ermac,
Signing off.